meant for that. But show me the value. As a client, show me the value. If there is no value, then your project is not successful. Show me the benefit. So this is what the concept of project management is today. Recognize, evaluate, and respond to the system interactions. As a project manager, you're with the quality team, risk team, procurement team, logistics team, supply chain, finance, accounting. For all them, be respectful, demonstrate leadership and behavior. Here also PMI did a global survey, and they found out, they did a survey with the C-suite executives, and you'll be surprised, 86% of them, they said our project managers are great, but they don't think like a leader. Our project managers are great, but they don't know how business is coming. They don't have business acumen. They're always firefighting.